Hi, good evening everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session of School of AR. Today we have with us Maninder Singh. Maninder is one of the expert trainers with School of AR. Hi Maninder.
Hi, hi Asghar.
So
Hi everyone.
Maninder is here to resolve all your queries. You have attended 3 sessions so far. If you have any questions, any queries, you can post it in the comment section and Maninder will be happy to answer them.
Hi everyone. If anyone have any question, please let me know. Okay. Tell me more about layering. Wait, let me open my share screen. Um, Sir, can you share my screen? Hi Shekhar. Okay. Wait. So I'm giving you layering example. Angle. Let's camera texture here. Person segmentation. Now, if I add plane here and change it to layer 1, material, no, see, it doesn't do anything if you are using any type of layer. So, if you want on this one plane on back side, just put here, wait, mm, okay. So, if I choose layer 0, it will go back. So, this is how we use layer. Yeah. If you want to use on front side, you can use layer 1. So this is how layer works. uh, no, there is no another software, Chintan Patel. I have used word particle system and image as a background. In person segmentations, I can see the word particles until in down opacity in each image. See the word particles until uh, Shekhar, do you have any link of your filter so I can understand better?
Shekhar, you can share your effect link in the chat. So he says it's in progress.
Okay.
So SmartWiz has a question. In MacBook, the live preview is not working. Why?
Sir, I don't have any idea. Only Naveen can answer that because he is using MacBook.
Okay.
I have Windows PC.
Okay. Another question from Avinash.
I have draw soil letter from the user one by one, but I do not understand how to detect that the user has drawn the letter. To drawing one letter, I have to show the second letter to draw. Okay. You can use wait, I have to draw the soil letters from the user one by one. You mean you want to draw particle from your nose, Avinash? Sir, Naveen is saying something. Okay, he is there.
Okay, so SmartWiz, Naveen has answered your query. You have to check your webcam settings if the camera preview is not working.
Maybe because we are live, I think that's why.
So we'll move to the next question from Avinash. I have to draw letters from the user one by one, but I do not understand how to detect that the user has drawn the letter. After drawing one letter, I have to show the second letter to draw.
I think it's a very tricky part.
Okay, SmartWiz has a follow-up question. There are pre-made virtual model available, right? Those are working fine in Macbook, but when I activate camera, then it stops not giving live preview. It is only not working in Sparky. I guess Naveen
Mm,
will respond to this question.
um, Smart camera. Did you ever click on USB camera in Spark AR? I think see there will be a session on depth capability also. So wait for that. Today's question about all render passes and particle systems. Maria, I think maybe yes. And we can also add our own instructions in different languages. Mm, Wait, let me check the patch. Show string. Not this. Uh, okay, 3D object as an emitter. Okay, this is particle systems, and these ones are 3D shapes. this one. Zero point three three will be enough. Division is not. So these are the 3D objects. If you want to add 3D objects on your own style, you can use render pass for that. Okay, device, choose, touch. S- okay. Sandesh, there is a video of Kevin. You can check that. I think it is called. What was the name of the video? Naveen, can you answer this question? To restore the file which has been disabled by Sparky and due to fake report. I think you should contact with Robert. Uh, Wait, let me send you his name.
And meanwhile, SmartWiz has a question for the AR project that we need to submit of course involvement. Enrollment, is there any specific requirement? No, there are no requirements. Whatever you have learned about Spark AR, whatever capabilities and features you know about it, just create an effect and submit it. There are no specific requirements for that.
Okay, person in front of the background image. Okay, now I understand your question. Okay, wait. Measures plane scale. Select let's put here let's use ring. Now check here. Let's okay. Let's say 0.5 and add particles 100 and okay. Now check this. Now go to the properties. This one. Okay. This is world. This is local. It is going backward. Now, if I use local, now check the material. If I change the layer, okay, and this one you do. What is this? Mhm. Now check Sandesh. Who was asking about the particle? Avinash, you can check this one sample.
Sarang has a question. Can I use my own pre-recorded video in Sparky simulator?
Yes, you can use it. Uh, just click here, online audio video converter. This is site. You can convert your video here as WebM, and then go back to your Spark here. Click here, click on plus icon, and here you will have to provide WebM video. And there are also preview videos, and these are all preview videos. Here are also body tracking videos. You can also use that. Just convert your video on in WebM.
So Chizara has a question. How do you get full body videos in the simulator so that you can use to test hand or body tracking?
And as I simply told you, you can use this. Uh, just go here, click on plus icon, and go to resource, preview videos, and there is body tracking videos here. You can add one of these, like this one. Use rectangle and put some images, texture, then bring that particle system. Image texture as a background texture. Let's duplicate this one. Mm, choose this one. Partner. Okay, you can try this layer. Uh, Shekhar, send me your email. I will send you the file. You can also message me on Insta. Yep, Mary. I will send you the file. This is my handle, Instagram handle.
Maninder is also available on the Facebook group. If you have any
Yes.
questions, you can reach out to him there also.
Or maybe I will share on Facebook group this template, so you can modify that. Um, experience. I will send. I will share with you on Facebook group later. It will be same. Shaker. It will be same. Wait. Let me add back. Okay. Let's use this one. You can check. It will be same. And Naveen, he also messing with the layer part. So I think that's the problem.
So, Maninder, there was a question yesterday. Can you explain the difference between render pass and normal experience?
I think in render pass we can feed anything like specific thing. We can also feed like we can also feed a specific object in there. If we only want to see a simple object on the uh, virtual reality, like what we call a artificial reality, so we can feed that object. In normal, we are seeing lots of things like what will be showing camera, like camera feed, background with background also. In render pass, we can only can see the object part. So this is the render pass. We are only seeing in render pass, but we are feeding to render pass. Uh, I'm also making one render pass effect. Wait. I will show you my recent render pass effect. Mm, So you can check here. Wait, let me show you. In render pass, I'm also using distortion. I'm fading here, and also using face retouching, posterization patch. Then this is my output. Uh, And this is the scene but I'm feeding all the objects. Suppose wait, if I only want to see the face mesh, uh, only here part. Let's say this one. You can see, and remove background. Right now there is no light. Uh, I will have to. I don't want to mess this project, so I will uncheck. Mm, let's got this one. Let me show you render pass. While new okay, so, so, they can see my screen, right? Okay, create first pipeline. So this is my pipeline. And this is my camera texture. Now there is no texture. Mm, then let me add one plane. So you can see here, this is my plane. Only plane is rendering. If I remove this one also, now there is no object on the screen. We can also add 3D object. Mm, is this? So if I drop down here on patch editor, now uh, so it will be show it like this, and this is what I am feeding to the render pass. You can check your output also here. So this is what we call render pass. Only specific object we can see on render pass, and if we are using just normal one, it will come like this, and also plane is also showing there. So this is what is render pass. Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you, Naveen.
So let me clarify one thing. So the three effects which you are required to submit during the cohort completion, that those three are different from the effect which you have submitted for cohort selection. That was the basic criteria for being selected for the cohort. After you have submitted the first AR effect and you are now a part of the cohort, after this you will be required to submit three AR effects. And when you are required to submit those, we'll announce after the session. We'll share the different submission links for each submission.
Naveen, I think we need to learn first basic. There is a free course on Udemy. Learn just basic things like how to add bonds, how to add texture, and how to curve things. So this is I only learned this part. Uh, the one part is left only animation. I'm animating here also. Uh, I will use bones on here also. Wait, let me show you one more effect. Mm, let me see. So this is my also new filter here. You can also check eyes. This one. Check the eye part first. I'm also animating the eyes. If the girl blinks, I think I will have to use different one. You can see the fire on the eyes, and also in here you can check this part also. You can see I'm adding plane here. So this is my empty plane I'm using. If I uncheck this one, you can see the row is also coming. You can use plane as a to remove the material from front side. I will upload all together, making Tanjiro also and few more demon slayers.
We can also request Maninder to do a session for us how to create this effect. We can
Uh,
do a Facebook live, Maninder, on the Facebook group, and all the
no,
participants.
no. It will take lots of time to create one filter.
Sure. So, are there any more questions? If no, then we can end the session.
Do we need to have 90% attendance to get the certification voucher? Is
Yes,
MIR?
90% attendance is compulsory for getting the exam vouchers. And this question, Maninder, I think you can answer. Is MIL
So I
exam?
don't know what is the MIL. Uh, you should type the full form of MIL. I think he is talking about the Meta developer circle course, I think. I think MIL is a different part. If you want to be a Sparky developer, you need to clear the exam of MIL. I think that is what is MIL.
So very good answer from Naveen. If you want to learn, you must have 100% attendance.
Yeah, that's true. And learn documentation also.
Yes.
Naveen, there was a patch about the language in which we can change the language. I think I don't remember the patch name. Someone was asking about that.
So Shekhar, you will only get exam vouchers from us, and you will get the certificate once you clear the exam. And I'm sure if you attend all the sessions, you'll be able to clear the exam for sure.
In exam, I think there are lots of things. 3D also about customer satisfaction and scripting also there. So lots of things to clear the exam. First, you have to learn 100%. Then only you can give exam.
Himal, I'm sharing the submission link in the chat.
And there will be only theory. There will be four questions, and you have to choose the correct one, correct answer, and it will be multiple type question and answer.
Sagar, you can visit the Spark School website and you'll see all the details and the complete agenda there. There are total 16 sessions, and we have the last session on 12th of June, I guess. So you can visit the website and see the complete agenda. I'm sharing the website link here.
Uh, Me to check the Spark and check this one on community, and there will be a link.
So Maninder, there's a question for you. How can we use the fire animation around the body?
We can use noise filter. Wait, let me show you. There is also a free template. It is made by, I think, Thomas. Uh, This template on Gumroad, check the fire animation template name. I think uh, fire animation is not made by me. So and you can use also different type of noise. Wait, and these are the noise textures uh, like this one, plasma, liquid, all are available here also on library. Yes, library here. I don't know what is happening on 137 version. So these are the noise textures and how to use this. So much confusion. Let me change here. I think this one is here. Now where is my device?
So Shekhar, since you have submitted one filter before the squad started, you don't have to submit the effect again. Now you'll have to submit the effect once we announce and give you the assignments to submit the AR effects.
Mm,
Avinash, the last date of submission cannot be extended now because it has already been extended a lot of times. Upstar, you don't have to submit three effects in the form three times. You will get separate forms for submitting each effect. Aniket, you will receive assignments for every effect that you are required to create. Naveen will share the three different assignments with you once the sessions are over, and you will have to submit those AR effects on the basis of the assignment.
so check the noise part. Uh, and these are the noise texture. So with this noise, you can also create fire animation. Uh, I made added so many noise here, and so this is the setup of your fire texture. This one, this one, this one. This one is a free template on Gumroad. You can check there.
Maninder, there's a question: how do you zoom in the patch editor?
Oh, okay. Just click, hold the control and roller, mouse roller. This is how you can zoom in, zoom out. And if you want to zoom here, just move your mouse. And you can also check here also. Go to preferences and check the shortcuts here. These are the shortcuts. You can also add your own shortcuts here.
So Models by Thor has a question. If we submit all the assignments before due date, we'll get 5% extra attendance. No, you won't get 5% extra attendance for sure. Attendance is a separate criteria and effects are a separate criteria. If you visit the website, there are four eligibility criteria mentioned on the website for receiving the exam vouchers. You need to complete all four conditions, then only you will receive the exam vouchers. Christy has a question. Do we need to submit new filters based on the classes conducted? Yes, you will have to submit effects based on the classes submitted, but you will only submit the effects when we ask you to submit. We'll share the assignment with you, and then only you'll submit the effects. We'll share the assignment and we'll share the submission link with you. In the submission form, what should I fill in the effect URL part? So there's an once you upload your effect on Facebook or Instagram, you receive the effect URL. Maninder, can you share a screen and show them where they can find the effect URL?
Okay. Uh, Click here on test on device. There, click to send, and then here will it will create a link for you. And click here on test link. Copy this link and copy link and send it to anywhere you want.
Vasu, you will receive the assignment in detail. Don't worry about that. We'll share the email also and the link also. Everything will be shared with you. Hemal, the first assignment will be assigned to you, I guess, on 15th May. Naveen is still working to create assignments for you and make you create good effects. There's no attendance for today. It was just a Q&A session. So it was open for attending. If you had questions, you are here, and those who don't have questions, they are not here. So there's no attendance thing for today. Okay, I guess we are out of time now. So if you have any other queries, you can post it on the Facebook group,
Yeah,
and Maninder and I will be
I
there
will
to
reply there on Facebook
will
page.
be there to respond to your queries. Naveen, your attendance is marked. I have submitted filter preview link in effect URL. Is that right? Maninder, can you confirm if that's correct?
Which one, sir?
I'm putting it on the screen.
I have submitted filter preview link. Effect URL. Yes, that's the one.
Sure. Thank you, everyone.
Sir, wait. Uh, do they have to submit a test filter link or just
They can
uh,
publish it and then submit the effect. Submit
yes?
the effect URL.
Publish your filter on Spark here, and there will be a link also. Share that one.
On your Spark AR portfolio, there are
Uh,
three dots on the right hand side. You just click on that and you see the effect URL.
and these links are only for test your filter, not for submitting effect for anything. And only 50 users can see your filter.
Sure. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. We have another session tomorrow. So please make
Okay,
sure
bye
you are
everyone.
for the session. Thank you, Maninder. Thank you for answering all the questions.
Welcome, sir. Okay, bye everyone.
And
Thank you
thank
for
you,
having.
Naveen, for helping us in the chat.
Yeah, thank you, Naveen.